Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nougat using an easy method. This delightful confection, often found in candy bars, is surprisingly simple to create at home with just a few common ingredients. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get a perfectly chewy and sweet treat. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your candy-making skills. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of honey. Also, have 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of your favorite roasted nuts, like almonds or pistachios, measured out. Make sure your stand mixer bowl and whisk attachment are clean and ready to go. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, honey, and water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil until it reaches exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Simultaneously, in your stand mixer, whip the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. With the egg whites whipped, slowly and carefully pour the hot sugar syrup in a thin stream into the mixer bowl while the mixer runs on low speed. Increase speed to medium-high and beat until the mixture is very thick and holds its shape, about 10 to 15 minutes. Fold in the vanilla extract and your roasted nuts. Press the nougat into a parchment-lined 8 by 8-inch pan. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Let it cool completely before cutting into delicious squares.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.